Hey, welcome back everyone. My name is Ritesh. I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. In this video, what I am going to show you that how you can automate the process of installation of IIS in Windows machine. So I do have the PowerShell script with me, which is what I am going to upload, which is already uploaded on my GitHub. You can just take that script and do this exercise at your own also. I'm going to launch an instance. Here I'm going to mention as window-iis-server. You can choose any other name. I'm going to choose Windows as operating system. Here I'm going to work with latest, which is Microsoft Windows Server 2025 base. In instance type, I'm going to choose T3.small, which has 2 CPU, 2 GB memory. In terms of key pair, I'm going to choose proceed without a key pair because I do not want to log in on that server. That's why I'm choosing this one, which is not recommended thing, but I'm not looking for key as of now. In terms of network settings, I'm keeping allow RDP traffic from unchecked because I don't want to take RDP. I just want to allow HTTP traffic from the internet, because most of the web servers, that includes IIS as well, works on port 80. So I'm going to check this setting, which is going to allow HTTP setting as an inbound rule in my security group. Then I'm going to advanced details. In advanced details, scroll down to the last, you will see one section called user data, which is optional. You can upload a file with your user data or you can paste the content here. Either approach is fine. In my case, I am going to my GitHub. In my GitHub, go to one of the repository, which is AWS Solution Architect repository. In this repository, search for IIS. You will get this file. Easy to install IIS window user data.txt. Copy this content. Make sure you're not copying extra spaces or something. Just copy that and paste in the window. In this PowerShell script, what we are saying is run this PowerShell, install window feature -name web-server, which is going to include management tools. And we are creating one file as well. So we are saying new item path, because this is a path on a Windows drive for IIS, C inetpub www root index.html, and under that page I want to write text as hello world page, then close the PowerShell. This script I want to execute when my system is getting initialized for the first time. So what I'll do is I'll click on launch instance, and this process is going to take almost 2 minutes of time. So let's wait for it. All right, now 2-3 minutes are over. I can go to this page and refresh the screen. Now you can see everyone, it's working, right? Internet Information Services page. This is a default page from the Microsoft, where Microsoft is welcoming you in a different languages. That's it. That's how you can do the automation in Windows, everyone. This time I've done for the Windows using PowerShell. All right, I will prepare a lot of another videos on another AWS, Azure and GCP concept. Thank you so much everyone for listening me. Please like my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment in case you want me to cover something for you. Please comment. Thank you so much everyone.